Most people think gray hair is just a natural sign of aging, but the truth is it can often be slowed, delayed, or even reversed by addressing the root causes in your body. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon because this channel shares natural, science-backed ways to maintain your hair color, boost follicle health, and stay youthful without expensive dyes or chemicals. Gray hair happens when your hair follicles gradually lose melanin, the pigment responsible for your natural hair color. Stress, poor nutrition, hormonal imbalances, and oxidative damage accelerate this process, which is why some people go gray much earlier than expected. One of the most effective ways to combat this is through nutrition. Foods rich in B vitamins, especially B12 and biotin, support melanin production and follicle health, so include eggs, salmon, leafy greens, and legumes in your diet. Minerals like copper and zinc are also crucial because copper helps activate the enzymes that produce melanin, while zinc supports overall hair strength and prevents breakage. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, nuts, and green tea combat oxidative stress, which can damage pigment-producing cells in your follicles and cause premature graying. Certain herbs and natural remedies also help maintain hair color. Amla, Indian gooseberry, curry leaves, and black sesame seeds are traditionally used to restore pigment and strengthen hair from the root. Applying onion juice or coconut oil infused with these herbs can also support scalp health and slow the graying process by nourishing follicles and improving circulation. Lifestyle factors play a huge role as well. Reducing stress through meditation, exercise, and proper sleep helps prevent stress-induced graying, while protecting your hair from UV damage and harsh chemicals preserves its natural pigment. Remember, while genetics play a part, gray hair is often a reflection of your body's internal health. By focusing on proper nutrition, antioxidants, targeted herbs, and stress management, you can maintain your natural hair color longer and even restore some pigmentation over time. If you're ready to take control of your hair color naturally, click subscribe and comment, "I'm keeping my color," to join the journey. True prevention and reversal of gray hair starts from within. Nourish your body, protect your follicles, and your hair will reflect your health and vitality.